Hello there once again, everyone. Thank you for joining me for another episode of Michael's Munchies. So now today I have some Hershey's Kisses, and it's a special summertime limited edition flavor. It is strawberry ice cream cone. Strawberry flavored cream and cookies? What? Cream and cookies. But yeah, ice cream inspired. Just a little bit of cookies and cream and inside there? I don't know. But saw these and hadn't heard anything about them, so I wanted to check them out. It's cool how it even has like little ice cream cones all over it. Let's give it a smell. Oh my. It's very artificial strawberry. Ah, man. Actually, it kind of smells like Mamba. I don't know, I'm thinking of like the Mamba, like strawberry flavored candy. Cause Mamba, you always get like 4 little packs, and some you're not guaranteed any flavors. Cause I think they have what? If there's more than 4 flavors, but you get like 4 packs, and sometimes you won't get any of a flavor, of course. So, alright, looks a little plain. Oh, okay. There's little cookie bits inside. Got ya. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Wonder if that little bit is supposed to be like the. So yeah, that makes sense because I was confused why it said flavored cream and cookies. I'm like, what cookies? So there's a little cookie crunch inside. I'm assuming to, kind of simulate a ice cream cone. Considering it says strawberry ice cream cone flavored. And yeah, these are pretty nice. Hmm. Excuse me. I think the strawberry smell reminds me of just a bunch of other like candies and stuff, like strawberry Kit Kats, and like I said, like Mamba candies. Um, Maybe I don't think both of those are all the. I don't think they're all the same company, but obviously they're using some of the same ingredients for it to have that same smell when they make them. But yeah, these aren't bad. I don't think they're amazing because I don't know. They're pretty good, but they've made better for sure. Like those sugar cookies for Christmas. Those are amazing. Those are very similar to this though, because those sugar cookies also had the little crunch inside. So these are good for sure, but I know I can't say that they're fantastic. If you see them, definitely give them a try before they're gone. They're only here for the summer. I think overall, 8 out of 10. Pretty good. Very nice. Um, mm, Starting to get more of that really, starting to be really creamy. Um, so that helps as well. Get more of that like ice cream. So, but yeah, check them out if you see them. Can definitely give them a try and let me know what you think, because I think they're pretty good. Not the best, but still pretty good. So, with that, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you feel like it. Uh, I also have a Facebook page, Michael's Munchies, and on Instagram, Michaels_Munchies. So please check those out as well if you can. And yeah, thank you for watching. Until next time, enjoy your food. Marcus Munches, yeah.